Good afternoon, children. I am going to teach you the topic from the Ruskin Bond, The Tiger in the Tunnel. Now, we had earlier done this part, but it was part 1. Now we are moving on to part 2 of the same chapter, The Tiger in the Tunnel by Ruskin Bond. This is for English literature for class 5. Now I give you the passage. Baldio walked confidently, for being tribal himself, he was used to the jungle and its ways. Like his forefathers, he carried a small axe, fragile to look at, but deadly when in use. With it, in 3 or 4 swift strokes, he could cut down a tree as neatly as if it had been sawn, and he prided himself on his skill in wielding it against wild animals. He had killed a boar with it once, and the family feasted on the flesh for 3 days. The axe head of pure steel, thin but ringing true like a bell, had been made by his father over a charcoal fire. This axe was a part of himself, and wherever he went, be it to the local market 7 miles away or to a tribal dance, the axe was always in his hand. Now, children, this is the passage from Ruskin Bond's chapter, The Tiger in the Tunnel. You will read this passage very, very clearly, understand the passage, and then I have given you a homework which you will be doing after you have read this passage. These questions will be answered in your rough copy, and the questions are: Question 1. How was Baldio's axe deadly when in use? Question 2. How did Baldio pride himself in using his axe? Question 3. What was the axe made of? Question 4. What did Baldio kill with his axe? And finally, the last question, question number 5. How was Baldio's axe a part of himself? Children, all these 5 questions relate to the passage that I have just done for you. So kindly go to the passage very, very carefully, and then you will answer these questions question-wise. For example, question number 1, you write the question, then you will answer 1, and then you write the answer. Then you draw a margin. Then you move on to question number 2, copy the question and write the answers, and so on and so forth. You will complete these 5 questions in your rough book. That's all for today. Thank you, children.